Good morning, children. Welcome back again. I am Amita ma'am, and today we will again revise number 17 by counting some objects. So let's start.
Here we have some colorful sketch pens. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 17 sketch pens.
Now let's do one activity related to number 17.
Let's start. This is Tina. She wants to drink apple juice. For that, she needs 17 apples. So, let us help Tina by getting the apples from the apple farm. Here are some apple trees. We need 17 apples. For that, let us put the apples in this basket. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Apples are collected. Now Tina can finally drink apple juice.
Children, today we will write number 17 in our maths notebook. So let's start.
Number 17. First write today's date. 8 dash 12 dash 2020. In this way you have to write TO. T means tens, O means ones. 17. 1 we have to write under T and 7 we have to write under O. Let's start. Start from the center. Make a standing line. Touch the bottom line. Start from the center. Make a sleeping line. Slant line. Touch the bottom line. 17. Standing line. Sleeping line. Slant line. Touch the bottom line. 17. 17. Make a standing line. Touch the bottom line. Sleeping line. Slant line. Touch the bottom line. 17. 17. 17. Standing line, touch the bottom line. Sleeping line, slant line. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. In this way, you have to complete your page.
That's it for today, kids. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye.